This is Mile 2, one of the busiest transport corridors in Lagos. Every day, thousands of people pass through here by bus, by car, by foot, all competing for space. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the ongoing construction of the Mile 2 Interchange Hub, one of Lagos' most ambitious transport projects. This is not just another bus terminal, it's a multimodal interchange designed to connect road, rail, water transport and non-motorized movements, all in one coordinated system. In this video, I'll explain why this interchange is necessary, what each ramp is designed for, why ramp 3 is the heart of the project, and how this fits into the bigger Lagos transport picture. Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Bolaon and I want to wish everybody a prosperous 2026, as this is going to be my first video in the year 2026, and I won't be making this video alone. I have somebody here. We are going to be making this video together, and my brother, come now, make them see your face, make your face show now, make your face show now. So guys, I have
hello guys,
what's it here?
Happy New Year. Thank you for supporting us, all year round. 2025 was a very productive year, all thanks to you guys. So today we are in Mile 2 Interchange, one of the most important transport infrastructure being erected here in Mile 2 area by Lagos State government, and we are going to see how far they've come with this project. And so me and Bola, I'll be going there together to see what they've done, and let's see what they have.
So before we go ahead, guys, I really want to say a very big thank you to all of you for supporting us through 2025, and I'm hoping you keep on supporting us. Your support goes a long way. You might not know what you've done for us, just commenting, liking, sharing, and to the extent some of you even sharing some ideas with us. We appreciate you guys for staying in touch with us and for watching our video. We want to say thank you, a very big thank you to everybody who has been supporting this channel, not only me and OZ as well. I want to say a very
thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you very much.
And God bless
without
you.
you guys, I doubt if we could have done what we did in 2025. So 2026, we're hoping to do much better with you and with your support.
And we are hoping, I don't know, we are hoping to even travel more outside Lagos in 2026 by God's grace and with the support of you guys. What do you think about that?
Bro, we are open to travel like every part of. For me personally, I feel like 2026, I want to travel more. I want to accept new challenges. I want to be places I've never been. I want to project Nigeria on a positive light with my own lens. My brother here, he's
also, I want to do the same as well.
Yeah.
I tried a bit in 2025, but most of the places I wish I could travel more to, I couldn't accomplish some of them. In 2026, by God's grace and with the support of each and every one of you, we are hoping to even take it much further. So guys, thank you very much and welcome to our first video in 2026. Let's go inside and see what is happening with the Mile 2 Interchange. Mile 2 sits at the intersection of the Apapa-Oshodi corridor and the Lagos-Badagry Expressway, two of the most heavily used routes in the state. Over the years, this area has become overwhelmed by informal bus stops, yellow buses loading on the road, interstate buses parking anywhere, pedestrians crossing live traffic. The result: congestions, delay, chaos. The Mile 2 Interchange Hub is designed to remove transport activities from the road and organize them into a structured space, allowing traffic to flow and commuters to move safely. A multimodal transport hub means different transport systems working together, not competing. Here at Mile 2, the plan is to connect BRT buses, regular city buses, interstate and international buses, rail transport, ferry services, walking, cycling and scooters. Instead of stepping into traffic to change buses, commuters will move within one controlled environment, faster, safer and more predictable. The first ramp is dedicated to intra-state transport, buses operating within Lagos. This is where the familiar yellow buses will operate from, instead of stopping along the expressway. By relocating them into a dedicated terminal, the interchange clears the main road, improves safety, reduces random stopping, improves traffic flow. The second ramp is reserved for interstate and international travel. Mile 2 has always been a major departure point for buses heading to Benin Republic, Togo, Ghana and other parts of West Africa. One of the space will formalize this movement. For now, construction activity for these two are not in full swing, and that's deliberate. Work is being faced carefully to avoid disrupting one of Lagos' most sensitive corridors. This is where the heart of the interchange lies. Ramp 3.
Okay, so this is part of the Mile 2 interchange project. This is the BRT park. So here we have offices, we have loading bays, and everything that will make commuting easy for the people of Lagos State. Now it's still under construction, and we're hoping that by the second quarter of the project will have been standing. Like I said, this is part of the entire Mile 2 Interchange Hub.
The footprint of the terminal is now clearly defined. This gives us the clearest picture of what the entire interchange will eventually become. This terminal is designed to handle three categories of buses: high-speed capacity BRT buses, medium capacity buses, first mile and last mile buses. This allows passengers to transfer smoothly without stepping onto the expressway. One of the most important features here is the internal bus tunnel. This allows buses to move within the terminal without crossing pedestrian paths or interfering with road traffic. It improves safety, efficiency, turnaround time, reliability of service. This project also includes Kiss and Ride and Park and Ride facilities. Kiss and Ride is for quick drop-offs by taxi, Uber, Bolt and Lag Ride. Park and Ride allows commuters to park their cars and continue their journey by bus, train or ferry. This is how cities reduce private car traffic by making public transport convenient. The design also makes room for walking, cycling and scooters, especially for nearby communities. This ensures the interchange works not just for vehicles but for people. This encourages healthier, pollution-free travel for short distances. The hub will also be linked to ferry services via the nearby waterways, offering a pleasant and efficient alternative route for commuters away from road traffic. According to the project plan, the Mile 2 hub will include retail shops, food courts and canteens, restrooms, pedestrian-friendly plazas, all designed to make the hub a comfortable space, not just a transit point. The fourth ramp will serve as a bus maintenance and parking facility. This is where buses will be serviced, parked, prepared for daily operations. Efficient transport systems depend on strong operational backbones, and this provides exactly that. The Mile 2 interchange is being delivered in phases, enabling works, core terminal construction, multimodal integration, systems and operations. This phased approach allows Lagos to keep moving even while building infrastructure meant to improve movement. Mile 2 is not a stand-alone project. It works alongside the Marina Interchange, the Quality Bus Corridor project. Together, these projects form a network, not isolated infrastructure. What's happening here at Mile 2 is not just construction, it's a shift from chaos to coordination, from roadside loading to structured movement, from traffic survival to transport planning. This is the future of how Lagos moves, and hopefully it will be implemented fully. These are blueprints for Lagos' future transport ecosystem. By organizing traffic flow, connecting more modes of transport, and improving commuter experience, this hub promises to reduce congestion, support economic growth, and make daily travel easier for millions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want more updates on Lagos infrastructure and transport transformation, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.